Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix one of the most challenging errors in Android Studio. So when I run my application, I'm using an emulator here, a very large one. So it is busy building. So once it's done with building, then we're gonna see that error. So you can see here, let's be a little bit patient, then we see what's gonna happen. Okay, seems like it's starting here, you can see. Okay, once it's done, it's gonna give us that problem. So, and I'll show you how to fix it. I collected a lot of information about this error, so I'm gonna show you the way I fixed mine, and I will show you what some other people suggest in case my way does not help you. So I think that the second way also might help you. The reason why I did two, because I find out like not always that one fix can fix this. There are a couple of things you can do to fix this. Still loading. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. You know, as you know, Android is very slow. I wonder why is it like that. It takes time to load. So we're done. You can see now we have this issue. The issue says the web at this could not be loaded because net error catch miss. You can see this is all. It has to do with your permissions on your manifest folder. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cancel this and say yes. You want to cancel? Yes, or stop this. Okay, let's give it some time. You know, it's a bit slow. Okay, I'm sure we have the same error. Okay, I'm gonna click on stop. Yes, I've stopped it. So what you got to do, only go to your manifesto, Android manifest .html. Then you see here, you must make this line to be like this. If not, there should be something wrong here. So I'm gonna give you a link where to copy the right one. So let me see. Android.permission.what. Sometimes there's something, there's space, there's something which is not right. So we're gonna go to another website here. I'm gonna switch off that. Okay, let me go. I'm gonna go to one of the websites here. I'll give you the link of the website. Copy exactly what you're gonna see. It's called googleboy.co.za. Once you're there, I'm gonna show you this is the day, but I'll give you the link anyway, because if I don't give you the link, this was not posted long ago, so you will never get it. You never get the right thing. So I'm gonna give you the link in the description below, then you're gonna see what we're talking about. So here, this is the link. So what you do, you go down, you see there's a code. This code, you copy it the way it is, exactly the way it is. You copy that and go to your Android. Then here, then you paste your manifesto file. You paste in that there. See, once you pasted that, try to save all. Then you can run your application. See what's gonna happen. Let's give it some time. It's gonna run. well. It's coming. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine soon. Okay, it's coming. You can see now we don't see any problems. It seems like it's loading in well. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, USB debugging connected. Once that get virtual SD card. Okay, once that is done, it's gonna show us. It should show a website. We did target in the app. Let's be patient. Wow, it said no. Why did it do that? Okay, there's something we have to do small. Okay, let's give it. Okay, let's stop it. There shouldn't be anything wrong with this. I'm sure it didn't save. It did not save what we wanted to do. And all that. Let's say, let me try to go here. So, make project F9. Let's try to make project. Okay. Okay, successful. We built the project successfully. I wanted to. It didn't save. That's why it's giving us some trouble there. Android, whatever. Okay. Then we're gonna try to run it again. Let's run the app. It should run well. Should run well. Okay, let's see. Should run. Good. We can see now. We can see our website, the one we targeted into the app. So everything's fine. So the cause is that only line. Maybe you didn't put it well. Maybe there's a letter you missed into that. You mistyped something there when you're putting it. That's why we encourage that you copy that clean code there. Let me stop and once I stop this, I'm gonna show you some of the suggestions. Some people are using this. You can see some people on the screen. Some people are using this one. This one is no more supported, so that's why This is the old one. So you should delete the one with small letters internet. So the one with big letters internet is the new one. So that's what you have to use, right? So that's what we have used. So to be sure, just go and copy the code where in the link, check the link in the description below, and paste that. If you don't mind, maybe you don't want to go to the website, whatever, or you don't have internet access, I don't know. So just do what? Just type in this one the way you see it. Use the capital letter here, big caps here. After dot permission, internet, don't put small one because it doesn't work anymore. Another investigation I made, some people say, but I didn't test it because I haven't used it. I only tested what worked for me. They use this one, the if 18 whatever version, SDK whatever. You can use this code. It can help you to work if the one we gave you did not work. But I used the one I've showed you and it worked. So I hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and share also, and hope we see you in the next video.